So today we are going to be making fried zucchini. So the first thing you're going to need is some vegetable oil or some kind of frying oil, whatever you prefer. Next, I'm going to be using some plant-based oat milk. You're more than welcome to use regular milk or almond milk, and you can use egg if you don't prefer milk. Here I'm going to be using a medium-sized zucchini. For this particular video, I only use half. Next, I'm going to be using some Louisiana Fish Fry. I did purchase the one that has season already in it, but you can buy the original and season it yourself. As well, you're going to need a plate with paper towel and a metal spoon or whatever you prefer to get your items out your hot water. So the first thing you're going to do is get your seasoned Louisiana fish fry and pour it into a bowl or plate, whatever you prefer. Then I'm going to take my oat milk and give it a good shake and pour it into a bowl as well. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is dip it in the oat milk, and then I'm going to dip it in the fish fry. And here I am doing a double dip. It is optional, but this is what I prefer because I like mine a little more crunchy than if you were just to dip it one time. So once you get it into the oil, you're going to let this fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, but please keep an eye on it because it can burn and quick. All right, so again, you're going to only need to fry a few at a time, and I did only use half of the zucchini because it's only me eating this as a snack. Now, while that is frying, you can go ahead and start getting your next batch ready. This is a super easy recipe, and I am not the original creator of this. I actually saw this on Instagram, and I thought, OMG, I have to try that because I'm always looking for healthier. Well, this is not necessarily healthy, but a better option for me to snack on instead of like a bag of chips or whatever. All right, so now that this has been frying for about 4 or 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take it out and put it on my paper towel lined plate. Sorry, got a little tongue tied there. And then I'm going to go ahead and just fry the next batch up and then prepare the last few zucchini slices that I have. Okay, so this is the last batch being fried, and I'm just taking them out of the oil. You can use a bigger pan when frying, but this is what I decided to use. And then make sure you turn off your oil and put it on an eye that it was not cooking on. And this is what the fried zucchini looks like. Here's a better view or different view. And I hope you guys really like this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.